Hey there, this is Sean Donahoe and welcome to video one. Now, over the next few days, I'm going to be releasing a lot of great content. And I'm going to be showing you some of the easiest ways on the planet that you can build high converting marketing pages. And we're talking sales pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, webinar pages, affiliate pages, bonus pages. In fact, any type of page that you can dream up, you can literally build it in seconds, minutes. You can literally do all this without any coding, without any design experience. And as you can see here, this is just a showcase of some of the templates that we've got going. They're all proven high converters that we've been using for a long time. In fact, you can see, for example, here, opt-in pages. You can see squeeze pages, lead pages. We have two-step opt-ins. In fact, you name it, any type of conversion metrics you can imagine, you could pretty much build it with this incredible system. Now, this is the first time that we've made this available, and people who've been using this and been using this in the background, gurus, customers, they absolutely love it. We've had this in beta test for a long time now, just fine-tuning it and getting it to perfection. And everyone who's used it has said it's blown them away with the simplicity, the ease of use. So what we're going to do in this video, I'm kind of giving you a little overview. For example, you can create membership portals here. This is just training pages, examples of some of the stuff you can do. Webinar sign up and registration pages that work like crazy. I mean, we've seen a huge 50% sign up boost and lift just by using some of these webinar pages. You can create home pages, literally high authority home pages that the search engines absolutely love. And I'm going to show you some of the really cool stuff you can do with this. For example, there's an FAQ page, coming soon pages, JV pages, bonus giveaway pages. If you're doing an affiliate promotion, hey, maybe you're working with and promoting Profit Builder itself. You want to give a little bonus away? No problem. Put all the scarcity elements in there that you love. It's absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to show you how you can create a high converting sales page in seconds. And it's going to be using the sales page that you've seen everywhere, or the style that you've seen everywhere, that everyone's copying. It's Sean's $1 million sales page. And we've used this style to sell literally millions of dollars of products. And when you see all the other gurus using the same style of page, that's why. Why? Because it bloody well works. So let me show you this real quick. Now this Profit Builder comes in two flavors. You have a plugin which you can use on our own theme, which is the Profit Builder theme, or you can actually bolt it onto any other theme out there, which is really cool. If you've got an existing established website, you don't want to change the theme like a lot of marketing systems force you into. No, we thought, oh, well, there's no point in that. Let's just have the plugin, because this is all plugin. This is the beautiful thing. It's not a monthly subscription. There's no crazy extortionate price. There's no forcing you into using a particular theme. You can just take this plugin, power up your existing website, just plug it in, and you're good to go. So I'm using, in this case, our theme, because if you haven't got an existing theme, we have a really great theme that adds a few extra features to Profit Builder. But this is basically the plugin installed on a website. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call this sales page. Not an imaginative title. I could come up with something fancy. Let's say this is the one tool you need to boost your profits. Okay, we'll give it something a little sexier. So I'm going to now turn off page padding, breadcrumbs, hide menu, hide footer. And the cool thing with this is you can also set image backgrounds, video embeds in the background, HTML5 video, and you could just throw in like, for example, a YouTube URL or an ID for a YouTube video. And again, that goes in the background. I'm not going to do any of that. We're going to start with basically a blank page. So I'm going to publish this page. I could also save it as a draft, but I'm just going to publish it for the sake of this demo. and then I'm going to click on this new little tab you see up here called Profit Builder. This is for the live editor, and I can click on this button. Now there's so much stuff this will do. I'm just going to scrape the surface, and we'll cover so much more over the next few days. But this is it. You have now our ultimate editor, and this is all literally click, drag, profit. So I could start building up any type of page I wanted. I can click add new row. Say for example I wanted a header row. Maybe I want to throw in an element here. You can see this is all drag and drop. You've got lots and lots of elements. I'm going to throw in a video, and boom, there's a video. You can see it's a YouTube video. I could also put in bed codes and everything else, and we've got so many items. You can see them all over here. And then if you want to change the group, say for example I want an opt-in, well, let's grab an opt-in and drag it over here, and there's our opt-in. And all you have to do now is pop in your form code that you're given by your autoresponder. You could be using Rapid Mailer, Aweber, or any of the other great services out there, and literally just drag and drop. You're ready to go, and you can change, customize any element you like. But you're seeing, that's really cool. But let's go and actually build a sales page. So let me kill this row. Okay, and I'm just going to go up here, click load page, and it takes a moment. You can see that we've got some templates already in here, and you can see we've got everything lined up. We're rocking and rolling, and I'm going to click on Sean's $1 million sales page midnight. Okay, so that's just a color variation. I'm going to click on that, and what happens is instantly it loads, and I'm going to stop the video before it plays, an example layout of a sales page, all designed, ready for you to just swap out all of the pieces as you see fit. Want to change the video? No problem. Go put your YouTube video in there. Want to change the bullets? No problem. Want to rearrange the bullets? This is a cool thing. Watch this. See, I can drag and drop them around. No problem. Want to add more? Duplicate an item. No problem. Want to duplicate, and you can do this across the row. This is a really cool thing. Say I want to add maybe another row of these. See, I've got these great little kind of standout icons, and we've got literally tons and tons of kind of already kind of done graphics for you. Literally many kits. If you can't find an icon to suit your needs in there, it probably doesn't exist, but you can always customize it, add images, whatever you want to do. And this is why we made this, is we wanted to make this so that you can literally hit the ground like a ton of lead and not worry about all the stress of hiring designers, consulting, and because to be quite honest, many people are not like me. They're not designers. I've got a great team, a great graphics team, a great development team, a great programming team. I've got people who can create all sorts of pages for me. But again, it's time consuming. You just need to get things done and move on and start making money, start profiting from your business, whether you're online, offline, whether you're a service provider, whether you're an affiliate promoting someone else's product. Doesn't matter what you're doing. We wanted to give you the tools to get rocking and rolling as quickly as possible and do it in the best way possible. So again, let's have a look at this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to literally duplicate this row. So you're going to click on duplicate and boom, done. Now I go in here, I'll go change this. Maybe I want to do, oh, I don't know. Let's say I'm going to have a bell there. See that? See how quickly I'm changing that? I'm going to change this one. We have stats on that one. And then I'll change this one. I'm going to do, oh, let me say I was going to talk about trading videos. So I'll look for a computer screen. Boom, there we go. Next one I'm going to do, let me think. I'll just say, oh, I don't know. Let's just talk about how fast it is. Or maybe use a lightning bolt. Done deal. Oh, that one's not so great. I prefer to, when you're doing these kind of borders, I prefer to use kind of squarer ones and rounder ones. So maybe that's not the best one. No problem. Go find another one. Let's talk about time saved instead. Boom, done. Or maybe we'll look at maybe just success. Okay, we've used a check mark up there. No problem. Move on. Let's talk about the editor. Done. Simple as that. See how quick I can change my mind. And the cool thing is each one of these, each element, we have like 50 plus elements. And by the time we actually launch this, we're going to have probably about close to 60 templates. But each element can have its own animation. Want to see, let's see, let's do a fade in. What happens? Boom, fade in. Let's have a little bit of bounce in. Boing. So you can see, you can have all sorts of eye-popping, eye-catching animations, all built in here for you so that you can do all sorts of great magic. Want to flip it in? No problem. There's a flip. And you can have all sorts of literally engaging content that's going to get everybody's attention. They're going to read your content. They're going to be really keyed in with your message. And you're off to the races. And you can link this in with any different setup you've got, JVZoo, PayPal, any kind of cut. You just link up the buttons. And again, it's all literally cut and paste, drag and drop simple. For example, this button here, we've got some text on here already. We've got credit cards. Maybe I don't want to show the credit cards. No problem. Turn them off. Turn them back on. Whatever I want. If I want to roll over, you see you roll over. You got just, again, straight keyed in to their mindset, the buyer's mindset. So we've used all of our know-how from millions and millions of dollars in sales conversions to create these incredible guru pages. And all you do is change them out. Want to change the graphic? No problem. I'll go over here. This is a graphic. I could go assign a new graphic. Say, for example, I wanted to grab that one. This is in our library. Boom. Done deal. I know I can change my title. Boom. Change it. Done deal. Want to use the editor? No problem. Use the editor. Whatever you want to do. You can do everything right in here. Add media. Whatever you want. If you want to use the WYSIWYG editor, or just type it in here. No problem at all. So lots and lots of options and an infinite amount of different things you can do. For example, I can have counters, timers, graphs, and that's just from one section. From our main section, bullets, features, tabs, toggles. I mean, I could go on and on. Facebook comments, all sorts of different marketing elements to get you rocking and rolling quick. Now, maybe, hey, maybe that's cool. You want to change, let's change the entire thing. I just want to show you how easy this can be. So say, for example, I'm going to go to the templates and I'm going to change, maybe I want the fire method instead, the fire template. Okay, same kind of thing. Changes the entire layout and literally, boom, done. And maybe I've got another page. If I like this, I set this up and I want to use it somewhere else, I could save it as a template. I can even import templates from our huge library or ones that I've copied from another site. No problem at all. I could export a template. If I want to preview the page, look, I can turn off all the controls just to see, okay, is this suiting right? Now, here's a cool thing. I want to show you this as well. This is great. If I want to see how it looks on a desktop, no problem. On a laptop, no problem. I want to see how it looks on a mobile. No problem. I can do that. Yes, this is 100% mobile compatible. Want to see how it looks in a different setup, like a really, really thin mobile? No problem. If I want to go back and see how it looks full screen, I can do that too. See, I can just take a quick overview, skim it. How does it look if I'm skimming it? No problem. Done deal. So you can see very, very powerful stuff indeed. And we've designed this with you in mind. We've taken literally almost 2 years of development to put this together. And you can tell as soon as you get your hands on this, you'll see that this is just something that you cannot live without. You'll be building entire sites, marketing sites, sales funnels, portals, member portals, lead pages, landing pages, promo pages, webinar pages, Facebook giveaway pages. Literally, click, drag, profit. And if you can dream it, you can build it very, very fast. And you can even use the templates for inspiration. Modify them to your heart's content. Then modify them. Again, copy and paste them. Duplicate a row, duplicate an element. There's so much in here. And again, all of this power is at your disposal. Now, again, we're going to be covering a few more videos. I just wanted to show you, boom, instant sales page. And I'm sure you can see that with the proven technologies behind this, the proven conversion metrics, everything else. I mean, I just really am so happy that this has come together. I built this for myself, but at the end of the day, you can see how much is in here. We have put a ton of work into this, and the base system for this, it was 2 years in development, like I said. But you can see just how powerful this is, and with everything in here, you can see why people are chomping at the bit to get their hands on this. Now, again, we're going to be doing some more videos over the next couple of days, and we are launching this on September 16th at 11 a.m. PST. So I'm just giving you kind of an inside sneak peek of all of the power in this system and how it can literally transform the way that you not only market online, but pretty much do business altogether. And again, with all of the items, I mean, just this is just a sample of all of the pre-done for you sales marketing pages in here, and we're adding more and more to this library all the time. So again, there's over 50 on this page to start with. This is just a showcase page, but you can see we're going to be adding more and more to this as we go. And on launch, we're going to have at least 60. And we're going to have every type of page you can imagine. In fact, in the very next video, we're going to be showing you the affiliate assassin approach with this, including some very cool ninja tactics for affiliate marketers that can literally help you boost your commissions and skyrocket your conversions and everything you do with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned for that one. That video will be out in a couple of days, and then you'll be able to get an email about that, and we can rock on from there. So I hope you've liked today's little kind of sneak peek. Please feel free to share this page. Leave your comments below. I'd love to hear back from you if you have any questions about this. And as I say, this is literally zero coding, zero design skills. You can create these guru style marketing pages, no monthly fees. I can't mention the price yet, but I tell you right now, we are going to be doing something very, very special on launch day. We are going to be opening the door out at a massive discount during a pre-launch or pre-public launch period. And you guys are already on here, so you guys are going to get something a little extra special as you're watching this, because you're on the early bird list. So that always makes things very, very cool. So do keep your eye out on your email. We'll be sending out a notice in the next day or so for the next video, and you're going to absolutely love it. So until then, take care.